everyone. My name is Jacob Regalado. I am currently attending FSW and finishing up my associate degree in this semester. My major is software engineering, and I also want to minor in computer information system. I currently live in Fort Myers, and my goal is to graduate with my associate degree this year and transfer to FGCU in the spring for the software engineering program. I also want to graduate and after move to California to create experience and surround myself with good people. Today's video will mostly consist of me talking about my major and minor and the similarities between them in calculus. I will also be explaining what is software engineering and computer information system. Well, what is software engineering? Software engineering is the principle of applying design, develop, maintain, test, and evaluate softwares. In an understanding definition, most programmers are usually behind a computer and can be able to make websites or programs to anything a person can ever imagine. You guys might be wondering, what does calculus have to do with programming? Well, calculus has a lot of similarities to programming. Software engineering is part of the computer science, which cover algorithm and computations. How does calculus help me with my degree? Well, calculus is typically where you get exposed to extreme solving like proceeding to the answer by learning the steps of the problem. You need to be sure that you're proceeding in the right step or you'll make a mistake and get the whole problem wrong because each step follows logically from the preceding one. And this is why computer program is similar to calculus because of problem solving. Software engineering uses calculus with robotics, network analysis, and machine learning. With robotics, engineers uses linear and angular motions of mechanism. The study of dynamics used to develop control structures for stability and performance, which came from calculus. Machine learning uses techniques like gradient and expectation maximization. Network analysis is to understand the nodes connecting to the other nodes, with stability and proportional to their existence degrees require integration over time. The one I have right here is a simple program I made using simple calculation. Basically, I was just looking for the area of the rectangle, and by displaying the area, I have to give the calculation, which is length times width, to make the program work perfectly. Here, I also have code that is a different language from the other one. The code basically just asking the user to enter the x value and the program should calculate the integral. This shows that calculus can be used anywhere in the programming world. Calculus is to gain skills and open your mind to problem solving. Most programmers do not use calculus in their career at all, and maybe the only time we use it is when we have to create an algorithm that provides a situation that has something to do with physics. Should calculus be required to take as a prerequisite in the software engineering major? My opinion is, and this is only my opinion, yes, but also no. I believe that we should take calculus to expand our learning in math, but we should not force the student to be required to take it. What I'm saying is, students should have a choice if they want to take it or not. Or another idea is, students are going to the software engineering program should take a mandatory test for calculus, and if they pass, they are not required to take it, but if they don't, they have to take the class. The most important math in software engineering is discrete math, because structure needs to be learned on creating amazing codes. To take discrete math, I must take calculus because it's the prerequisite for discrete math. As for my minor, which is computer information system, I don't need calculus because it's mostly a business accounting major with some little programming but not heavy on it. What is computer information system? It is to focus on practical application of technology to support company contribution. As I was talking about my minor, what is it that relates to calculus? As I was saying, I don't have to take calculus, but it's the advantage to have it because it's mostly deal with accounting and information about a computer system. All in all, calculus is a great way to take advantage of learning because it helps gain skills on problem solving. I am not just saying it because my degree is software engineer and I have to take it, but it can also be gaining in any degree you want to pursue. The important is that you're opening your mind and learning to solve the problem with different logics. With my calculus class, I have learned so much, but I have also used it from my programming class, like fixing a bug that couldn't be found until I have to follow each step by step, just like from calculus. Hello, everybody. My name is Jacob Regalado. ECU and go to the software engineering program, and then after that, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is Jacob Regalado.
Why are you laughing?
Alright, I'll just edit that out.
No, you can start over.